Good charge! Free kick! Yellow card! Red card!
I'm Jack Black.
My beginner's programming tutorial. We're going to create 1994.
We need to modify some properties.
Yeah, there are some missing text.
This is a
You can't have more than 4 lights. This time we use city, right?
What this does is it makes your computer do stuff.
Part of the reason we fund objects is to support those concepts in YTP and this.
Before you start lighting your map,
We provide many pre-made brushes of different shapes and geometry from within.
And execute it, and there we go. We've created 1994.
Carried out the work.
And there we go. We created
1994.